Hey, J-Bro's popping back in here. All right, I'm about ready to fire it up for day 4. Just show you right off the bat, there is my Bunk Chargers all charged up from plugging it in overnight. I'm going to unplug that. The only thing I'm going to do here quickly is I been kind of slacking on greasing, so I'm going to back the mini skid up here and grease up all the zerts. So we'll get into it super quick. Just to show that I do consistent maintenance, or at least I try to anyway. Well, I'll tell you one thing, you can't grease anything without any grease. Yeah, I guess I'm going to, I don't think I got another tube here, so I'm just going to use it today and pick up a tube of grease tomorrow. All right, J-Bro's popping back in. Yeah, so this is the game plan. Take this river rock and basically run it all alongside the edge there. So I think that'll clean it up, and yeah, like I said, just use up some free material and go from there. But yeah, it shouldn't take too long to get this going. Hey, we got this done here. I ended up not filming it just because it was too difficult, but I had the skid cut it out like I did before. We fabricated it, and the skid brought the rock all the way around. Probably took us, I'm thinking, maybe 2 to 3 hours. Wasn't really that bad. And this is what it looks like over here. Way better. I guarantee we'll probably be sitting here however long from now and saying, oh, we probably need some edgers around here, but Rome wasn't built in a day, so yeah, but made a dent in that pile. That's not too bad. And then that's kind of what this side looks like, and that's just basically one more haul away. There's so much junk in there now that I can go right to the demo pit, and then hopefully I can get rid of those stumps and on to the next project. But yeah, we're gassed, but looks good and coming along. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.